good, YouTube? Welcome back to a better video. Welcome back to the channel, man. So I'm finally here with some Normani, the best dancing moments, the updated version. So we getting the updated best dancing moments. Once they get, we like a whole year behind on this stuff right here, but it's updated to me. You know what I'm saying? So don't be saying, "Oh my God, you're late. You're late, though, buddy." Okay, of course, bro. We only started reacting to Normani like two and a half weeks ago ish. Anyways, man, we just finna check this thing out here today because I absolutely love her dance moves. It's always shocking whenever I see her music videos. I see how she dances, and that junk is crazy. So look, man, we got a whole compilation of just her best dancing moments. So we finna check this thing out here today. But if you guys are new to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button down below. On our way to 10,000 subscribers. And that though, hey, let's check it out, man. Hold on. She put the mic down. When she put the mic down, it's game time. Watch this. Oh, hey, yo, what was that little stomach move, man? Don't break your, you know what I'm saying? Don't break your spinal cord. Don't break your spinal cord. Look at that, that's spinal. Got it, boy. Hey, good God, almost broke her neck for that, man. Hey, gotta be careful. But I don't, on the real, that's fine. That's fine.
Felt like the weight of the world was on my shoulders. Pressure to break or retreat at every turn. I try to walk around, it was stumbling, so familiar.
Hey, that look real.
Try to get up, but the tide is so strong. There's gotta be a wind in my bones. I am looking for freedom. Looking for freedom. Can't find it. So everything I had.
That's fine, man. Hey. Now hold on, man. Respect where it's due, bro, on this one, bro, because only one up stage dancing, man. That's like one of my things that I just can't do. I can't pull it off perfectly. Like, I'm the only one on stage. You see me out there dance, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just can't pull that off, bro. Like, only one up stage. All focus in the room is on you. I mean, you could if you got to, but you'll be nervous, and you mess up when you're nervous. So. See, like she did that in a y'all gonna see it the Love Lies reaction tomorrow. She did that jump right there with the when she rose up like that. That's like an exorcism. You know what I'm talking about? Like, man. I like how she introed in that. Oh, John, hold on, she wasn't done. I thought. That's crazy.
Shit, let's go. Hey, yeah, shake, shake, shake. Shit. Damn.
She insane. That's a lot of energy.
What a wonderful world. Oh, yeah.
Yo, whoa. Hey, I ain't know she do like I ain't know she did like this is like a obviously that's wallpaper, but that's like a jazz. It's like a jazz type, you know, kind of concert, not concert, but you know what I'm saying, it's more like not even tap dancing, but you know what I'm saying, getting on that older jazz vibe. Hold up. Hey, that's that old shake that boy. Nah, that wasn't no Pitbull. But no, I don't think it was Wait, no, I don't think it was Pitbull. Hey, this Fido, what performance was this? Like they in a hotel. Nah, it's like I don't know what that is. That look Fido. Hey. Hey, I like that. Hey, that was fire right there. I like that. Hey, with the little foot. Watch it. Look at it. Hey, that was fire. I like that right there. That's fine. Now what? Now, see, I ain't know she be dancing at the whole construction site. That's tough. I ain't know she be doing that. Now she be like, this is literally a go to work scene. Wait, hold up, man. Don't tell me she made this song. Go to work song. Oh, that was by Fifth Harmony. See, I had a group recommendation for me to start checking out Fifth Harmony. So they made that song, but they said they split up and whatnot. She be getting it on that construction site. She just go crazy anywhere. Bro, see, like what I like right there. Like, she able to pick up the speed with the guy as well. Like, that's fine too. Look at that. Dang, man, that's crazy.
Estás perdiendo el tiempo pensando, pensando por lo que más tú quieras. ¿Hasta cuándo? ¿Hasta cuándo? Yo sí pasando así. Just out the deal, I'm on. Yeah.
Hey. Now listen, if I'm that close, shit, I might as well get up there and start dancing with her. Well, I mean, that honest. Good God, I'm talking about this man is literally right there. He can probably touch your ankle just like that right there. You know? Just like that. Probably touch your ankle. Just like that, right? Probably touch your ankle just like that, though. That man is stupidly close, but shoot, I just get up there and dance with her or something, you know? Hey. Go crazy. Go crazy. I like how she be remixing songs like that though. That's fire how she be remixing those songs like that. Cause well, actually like, you know what I'm saying, I be feeling like I be going like straight into the song. We finna go straight into the song, but we don't. And that jump split off into a different song, and then she still be killing it on the dances as well. So hey, this right here was super dope, man. Appreciate y'all for sending this in because I did want to check out just a straight dancing compilation with her. She could do any type of dance, especially what she did with like the Spanish music and whatnot. She was absolutely killing that jump. It was like she was dancing almost 5 times the normal speed, which is crazy, but she was absolutely killing it doing that as well, man. But anyways, man, that is gonna do it for the reaction, man. If you guys did enjoy, man, make sure y'all hit that like button down below. Make sure y'all hit the subscribe button down below as well. On the way to 10,000 subscribers, but that does be what I call a Karen. I'm out this thing. Peace out. Love you guys.